Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone is up to date. This prevents missing features. Next, open Settings and go to General, then Keyboard. That's where you add input tools. Tap Keyboards to view the list, then choose Add New Keyboard. Pick the language you want to translate into. Some keyboards include built-in translation or support third-party translator apps. Doing this now sets the stage for immediate use in messages, mail, or any app with typing. Once you've tapped Add New Keyboard, scroll and choose the specific language keyboard you need. If native translation isn't offered, download a reputable translator app from the App Store, then return to Keyboards and add that app's keyboard. After adding, tap the keyboard name to configure options like predictive text or enable full access if required. Enable full access only for trusted apps because it allows data exchange. This links the translator to your typing flow, so translation is available inline. Now go into any app with a text field and tap the globe icon to switch to your new translator keyboard. Type a phrase and watch for inline translation or use the app's paste/send function. This makes it fast to communicate. If you don't see translations, make sure the keyboard is enabled in settings and that full access permission matches app requirements. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, toggle the keyboard off and on, or reinstall the Translator app to resolve caching or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.